Yes, we've done it.
Wah Umkhrah, finally, the search-long operation and the tension that has been running high in Shillong to find these weapons that they finally found. In fact, all the 3 weapons that they finally found it. These weapons were down on August 15th by senior citizens who took responsibility to dump these weapons.
Okay, guys. Sir,
Can you please check, are there any magazines missing, sir?
only one magazine is there.
Only one magazine.
Okay. Very good, guys. Good job.
Definitely a success mission that we can see here, that the officials or these SRT have been able to find these rifles that have gone missing since August 15th, that was seized from the policemen at Wah Umkhrah, and it was dumped later here.
If one is here, maybe three is there. Very good, very good. Ayo, away.
Just a minute. Able to find it here at Wah Umkhrah. They started off this operation somewhere at 11:30.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
And we have some people here also clapping for them. These are the weapons.
Please put on your I think magazine is there. Bullet also is there. Oh no, bullet is not. One more. Hey, Fiado. Bring that another one.